Thank God we have come on a Friday and did not waste a weekend to watch this. Can you guess what these things are? These are actually bathtubs. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to a brand new vlog. Today we have come to explore the winter lights at Canary Wharf. After all the shebang of Christmas and New Year, Jan and Feb can feel like quiet months here in the UK. But these lights have become a highlight everyone looks forward to during this time. Let me take you through some of the installations to help you decide if it's worth visiting. We managed to cover about 80% of the trail, enough to give you a solid idea of what's in store. Let's dive into the details of these artworks. You can actually get this map at the station itself. There are people who are actually giving you this map, and it actually has all the different installations, the locations and everything. The different locations and installations, and yeah, so just follow this map and you can go for all the lights around Canary Wharf. This is the illusion hole. This installation uses meteor lights arranged in precise geometric patterns, creating the illusion of a swirling black hole. Designed to make you question reality, UXU's work challenges whether we accept the sight of the flowing lights as truth or illusion. This is bit.fall. This permanent feature uses thousands of water droplets to display words sourced live from news outlets like The Guardian and BBC. The ever-changing casket is a striking commentary on the fleeting nature of information in our fast-paced digital age. This is the clue. Composed of 100 red circles, this elegant permanent installation frames the Cubit Steps Bridge beautifully. Reflected on the water, it transforms a simple bridge into a stunning focal point, highlighting the beauty of everyday structures. Can you guess what these things are? These are actually bathtubs. Using 32 bathtubs reclaimed from socialist housing blocks, this installation emphasizes the urgent need of protecting water as a resource. Playful yet thought-provoking, it turns the act of bathing into a reminder of the privilege of clean water. This light sculpture represents the circadian rhythms of light and dark throughout the year. 12 light fixtures map out the average light levels for each month, creating a visual clock that captures the essence of nature's cycles. Originally created for Summer Lights 2021, this artwork uses 6 transparent colored glass panels. Illuminated for winter lights, it allows visitors to see the world through vibrant colors, offering an interactive and joyful experience. This is called the Error. A swirling black hole in this abstract piece symbolizes the chaos of the universe and technology. It explores whether technology, including AI, can solve all our problems, or if its flaws will lead us into the unknown. This one's called The Wave. This immersive installation features 500 suspended orbs forming the shape of a breaking ocean wave. The interplay of light and sound creates a dynamic audiovisual experience symbolizing renewal and harmony. This one's called The Stitching Light. This touching installation shares the stories of Bangladeshi women who migrated to England. Combining fabrics, saris, and illuminated threads, it highlights the traditional kantha embroidery technique and preserves these women's histories for future generations. Evanescent droplets. This temporary installation captures the fleeting beauty of bubbles through light and sound. It's an immersive experience that reminds us of the transience of life and the ephemeral moments that make it beautiful. Light Benches Classic. These color-changing benches are a permanent part of the collection. Not only are they practical, but their glowing beauty also adds a touch of whimsy to the trail, making them a perfect spot to relax. Mirage. This immersive artwork reflects the illusions of social media, where doctored images and fake news blur the lines between reality and fiction. It's a metaphor for the glossy, polished world we often see online and the truth that lies beneath. These lights are really underwhelming. Thank God we have come on a Friday and did not waste a weekend to watch these lights. Honestly speaking, I came here like in 2022. That was so beautiful. Like all the installations were beautiful, massive, and really nice. I don't know what's happened this year. Maybe like because of cost of living crisis, or I don't know what has happened. But whatever it is, not that great. Honestly, if you don't have any other plans for the weekend, these lights could be worth a visit. However, I wouldn't recommend traveling here just for them unless you're already planning to visit Canary Wharf for dinner or something similar. The choice is yours. That's all from me for now. Hope to see you in my next vlog. Take care and see you soon.